Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about the American Express credit card, and basically this will be a review, right? So here I will give you a complete kind of information here. Now first of all, let's talk about the American Express Platinum, credit card. Now here this type is a charge card. Annual fees around 60,000 rupees. So if you just convert into dollars, that is around $715, right? Which is a very large sum of amount, and the reward is one membership reward per person, right? It will charge you around some cents, right? 4 cents, 5 cents, and 3x point on international transaction, 5x point on transaction. While the rewards multiplier pool, the benefits are ultimate access to domestic and international airport lounges, discount on movie tickets and dining, personal air accident cover worth 5 crores, that is around hundreds of lakhs of dollars. Right, now let's talk about the American Express Platinum Travel Credit Card. Right, the travel is a travel credit card. Annual fees is around some $20-50. Reward is around one membership reward points per 5 cents. Complimentary domestic airport lounges access, priority pass membership, various milestone benefits. And same goes for American Express membership reward credit card. It is an entry level credit card which is very cheap, but you will get some of these kind benefits here which is mentioned. Gift worth 4,000 membership reward points, milestone benefits, and zero liability protection. And fourth one is American Express Gold Credit Card. This is a mid-level credit card, but it's fine, right? The rewards is around one membership reward points for every 5 cents spent, right? American Express Platinum Reserve. This is a premium card, and you can also get it from the website, right? And this is here one of them, right? This is Express member, and this is Express Gold. So right now American Express have launched a lot and platinum travel credit card, right? So this is one the thing, and it's expensive to join, but yeah, of course it's beneficial too, right? The pros and cons I mentioned it, and this is huge. So if I want to conclude this which I mentioned here, American Express credit card are well regarded for the premium offering and robust reward programs, especially in travel related categories. However, potential users should consider the spending habits and acceptance of American Express cards in the area before applying. I hope I provided you all these information about this card. If you found this video very useful, subscribe.